Good morning, March 25th, 2024. I had gained a pound from yesterday because of bad eating last night. I ate 2 breadsticks I shouldn't have. I should have maybe had a half a breadstick. And I ate more ziti than I should have eaten. Now, this is something that I'm working on, portion control. And no excuses. But my happy joy from last night, and it was a little party, was I didn't eat any s'mores. There were s'mores happening. Thank you, honey. And Morton just brought me a protein bowl this morning. This is fat-free Greek yogurt, an egg, a hard-boiled egg, and avocado. So I'm just gonna chop this up right in my bowl. Right in my bowl. He asked if I wanted toast to go with it. The answer is no. But I'm going to show you what I'm having for my breakfast. I have never had it like this before. You should have maybe seasoning on it, but I don't think I'm going to put it on. I'm just, hopefully you can see this. I'm doing a bad job. Just want to smush it all up together. This would, it's actually looking like egg salad, which is awesome. So the protein from the egg, protein from the yogurt. My goal today is to get protein, a dose of protein in every meal. If you don't like egg salad, this is gonna look gross. But you could put any kind of seasonings or anything in here. I just want to mix it all up really good. I'm gonna do a taste test. I've never done this before or had this before. This is a first time thing. And this is a 1 bowl in the bowl recipe. So you just chop it's actually looking really good. I could have did a better job if I wasn't doing it from behind blindly. Okay, chopping the egg. And I want to get it really incorporated. Now, I would put a little bit of Celtic salt on here. That would be yummy. A little bit of pepper, I think. But I'm not going to do that. So I'm in the studio in Florida. But this is smelling really yummy. Let's taste it. It looks like a mess, but I don't think it is. Let's see how it tastes. This is good. It definitely needs salt and pepper. Celtic salt and pepper. Because it's just bland. It's just bland. You can season this up. At home, I can add some fresh herbs in there too. I want to show you what else I'm eating today. This morning for breakfast. This is my breakfast. Don't be shocked. I want to try to eat more than I normally eat for breakfast. I usually just have like a little breakfast, and but I want to get a lot of fiber and a lot of protein in. Having an apple, having an orange, having these 2 little oranges. So this is the deal. My belly right now, 337 pounds today. My belly is big. I got a big old belly that wants a lot of food in it. So this is what I'm putting in it this morning. This is the food I'm putting in it this morning. I will track this on Omada, and I'm gonna just see how I feel for lunch. My goal is to stay fuller during the day and then eat my last meal. I want to try to eat it earlier tonight because last night I ate a little later. A light salad later on is what I'm gonna go for, with egg in it. Like this would also, this little concoction here, this would also be good on a salad with seasoning. It needs seasoning. So there's my breakfast. We'll see how I get on with the rest of the day. Thanks for following, thanks for being here, and thanks for commenting. What do you think? Would you eat this?